The City of El Paso has lost out on more than $3 million in federal grants for its public health department. Funding meant for critical community services. Hey everyone, thanks for being with us. I'm Robert Olguin.
And I'm Jessica Gonzalez. It comes after the Trump administration made some cuts. Fox 14 News at 5's Melissa Herrera is in the studio with more on the changes the department now has to make to address the loss in funds.
Well, we're talking about $3.5 million in COVID-related grants that the city's public health department is now missing out on, and now the department is looking at alternatives to still continue offering its services.
This is a challenging time for public health across the nation.
Due to recent cuts, the City of El Paso's public health department is $3.5 million short. According to Sara Cera, the Assistant Director of Public Health, the major cuts were mainly COVID-related funds. Now, this includes laboratory testing, immunizations, vaccines, and testing related to COVID. In addition, the cuts were also related to the epidemiology program, which focuses mainly on contact tracing for COVID. Cera adds that other grants were also reduced but not completely cut. These are grants for the department's health emergency preparedness, the tuberculosis program, and laboratory services. Cera says that over 60% of the public health department's budget is composed of grants. However, she cannot tell me what percent of the grant portion this cut is affecting. As a result of the cuts, Cera says that the department has had to make changes.
So during these budget cuts, as a department, we create different alternatives. We can still be providing the services to the community with no pause. There is a reduction in the number of staffing, related to the programs, but the services continue to our community.
Well, in the meantime, Cera does say that the department is communicating with state officials to see if there's any possibility to go ahead and receive that funding in the future. I'm reporting live in the studio, Melissa Herrera, KFOX 14 News at 5.